I think it's actually a great time to start or grow a company because there is still a lot of capital available looking for places to go. So if you have either an idea or you have a small company or even a mid-sized company, it's a very good time to go onto the marketplace and look for money to grow. However, you have to make sure that it's lined up with your marketing plan and that you have a real idea of where those funds would go and what you would do with them. And so those are some of the issues that we'll also address here. It's a great time to look for money. How do you juggle fundraising and marketing? Because marketing, at some sense, is everything involved with running your company. And it's very difficult to raise money and run your company at the same time, but you absolutely have to. The details of the challenges are different at each stage of the game, but it's an ongoing balance issue. And as soon as you close one round, you're probably starting to think about how long that will last. When do you get to the next round? When will you need it? So the questions are the same. It's all going to be about how do you juggle all of this? And what is the role of marketing in your fundraising? So if you are looking to raise money, whether it's debt or equity, and for the early companies it's equity, the question is, how do you market your company differently to investors versus how do you market it to prospective customers? In general, the problem is that you have to do both at once and you have no resources for either. And so in this panel, we'll talk about how do you solve that problem of doing these activities when you have no resources to spend on them.